What's up? I'm Derrell Smith, and this is my favorite time of the year because I get to make tons of food to share with friends and loved ones and celebrate sports. Growing up in my household, we had a lot of snacks and a lot of different things on game day, and what goes better together with a good snack than a good drink? So today, we're making a stop in Nashville, and we're gonna take Mountain Dew, as well as Lay's Original, and make Nashville Hot Chicken wings because they just go better together, and they're gonna be mad good. All right, now we're going to get started on our brine. We've got some hot sauce. We got a little bit of garlic powder, red chili flake, and we got that beautiful Mountain Dew. There we go. All right, our brine ingredients are ready, and I'm just gonna add my chicken right to my brine. That Mountain Dew is gonna tenderize that meat, it's gonna flavor it, so when you bite into it, it's gonna fall right into your teeth. Okay, so I just want to cover this up. And we're gonna put this in the fridge for about 2 to 4 hours. So our chicken is brine, and now we're going to make our coating using our Lay's Original. And I'm just gonna crush our chips in our bag. And now, just pour these right into our bowl. Here we go. And now we're gonna season them using some chili powder. We got a little bit of smoked paprika. And finally, we got a little bit of heat with some cayenne pepper. Let's just mix these all together. And now let's get down to the nitty gritty. We've got our chicken, smelling good. Wing into our flour, boom. There we go. Into our egg, into the Lay's. And there we go. A beautiful breaded wing. You're just gonna keep repeating. But anytime you make a brine, as long as you got some salt, some sweet, and some heat, you can't go wrong with that. Press it into it, make sure it's nice and coated, and we go right onto our sheet. Wings are done. We're gonna place these in a 375-degree oven between 30 and 45 minutes. Look how crispy and crunchy them things look. So usually when you see this, you'll see a pile of white bread, you'll see some pickles, and this is the way it's traditionally served. I'm going to place our wings on the platter. Bon appetit. Yeah. Oh, good. The brine actually comes through, so you get some of that sweet from the Mountain Dew. And then I love the texture of the Lay's chips on the outside because as soon as you bite into it, you get that nice crunch. So yeah, I'm gonna keep eating these. It's almost game time. Get your mind right, get your belly right. Bon appetit.